Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 12V battery replacement is probably one of the most important things to consider when your kid's ride-on car is not working. In this video, we'll dive into the world of 12V battery replacements, exploring the key factors to consider when choosing the perfect battery for your child's ride-on car, ensuring they can enjoy endless hours of fun. Number 5. 12V 12AH replacement battery for ride-on toys. Introducing the new 12V 12A battery, designed to revitalize your children's ride-on toys. This battery is the perfect solution to keep the fun going. This battery is compatible with a variety of models, including Perego and John Deere Gator XUV. It also fits Polaris Slingshot, RZR 900, Gaucho Rock-In, and Taurus utility truck. The battery arrives fully charged and ready to go. Simply install it, and it's ready for action. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design. It's an exact fit, so you can quickly get back to enjoying the ride. With dimensions of 5.9 by 3.9 by 4.4 inch, this battery is designed to fit perfectly. It's the ideal replacement for your ride-on toy. What we like. This battery arrives fully charged, saving you time and effort. It's also designed for easy installation with a plug-and-play design. If you're looking for a hassle-free replacement and have multiple ride-on toys, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Bought as a replacement for my son's John Deere ride-on tractor. So far no issues, the charge lasts about an hour before having to recharge, which is pretty typical for this type of battery. My son uses his Power Wheels so often that we bought this additional battery. We use one while the other is charging. We've gotten a lot of use out of it. Great product. It looks like the original battery, and was a seamless fit from charging to actual use. Number 4. Fisher-Price Power Wheels 12V replacement battery. This replacement battery is fully compatible with all Power Wheels 12V models that use the gray battery. It's designed to fit perfectly, ensuring a seamless experience for your child's favorite ride. The connector is designed to fit perfectly into your Power Wheels charger and vehicle. This ensures easy installation and reliable performance, so you can get back to the fun quickly. The dimensions are 151 by 65 by 99 mm 5.9 by 2.5 by 3.9 inches. This battery is a SLA battery with 12V 9.5 AH specifications, matching the original Fisher-Price battery. It includes a connector with a replaceable 30 amp fuse for added safety. Plus, it features an internal, self-resetting fuse, providing extra protection. Please refer to the instruction card provided for important safety information. This will help you understand how to use the battery safely and effectively. What we like. This battery is 100% compatible with Power Wheels vehicles, ensuring a perfect fit. It also includes a replaceable fuse for added safety and peace of mind. If you have a Power Wheels vehicle and prioritize safety, this battery is a great option. What people say. It is visibly about half the size of the original, but it doesn't seem to impact power or battery life before needing recharge. The car has a 2.5 mph speed setting and a 5 mph speed setting, and the battery is fine running on high speed with both of them in the car. Currently the connectors seem very sturdy and secure. Number 3. Power Wheels 12V Rechargeable Battery. This battery is designed to meet the high standards of Power Wheels. It ensures optimal performance for your child's ride-on vehicle. This 12V battery is specifically made for Fisher-Price Power Wheels Advanced Series vehicles. Make sure your vehicle uses a Type 12V battery system for compatibility. The battery includes a built-in, self-resetting fuse. This feature helps protect the battery and the vehicle from potential damage. The product ships in frustration-free packaging. This packaging is designed to be easy to open and reduce waste. Get ready for fun. This battery is ready to power up your child's adventures. What we like. This battery is specifically designed to meet the rigorous demands of Power Wheels vehicles. It features a self-resetting fuse for added convenience and comes in frustration-free packaging. If you want a reliable battery specifically for your Power Wheels Advanced Series vehicle, consider this one. What people say. Took 24 hours to charge the first time and now it takes just a few hours. Battery life lasts pretty well. Functions like original. Number 2. UPLUS LP12-912V9 are rechargeable AGM battery. This is the UPLUS LP12-9, a 12V9 are rechargeable AGM battery. It's designed to replace 12V 7.2 Ah and 8 Ah batteries, perfect for various devices. Enjoy a lifespan of over 5 years with this sealed lead-acid replacement battery. It offers low self-discharge and can handle up to 600 charge cycles. The battery uses top-quality materials and advanced AGM processing technology. This ensures it's maintenance-free, leak-proof, and highly efficient. The 12V9Ah battery comes with standard F2-style terminals. It's fully charged upon delivery, making it easy to install and use right away. This battery is suitable for a wide range of applications, including UPS systems, electric scooters, and kids' ride-on toys. It provides reliable power wherever you need it. UPLUS offers a 15-month warranty and a 60-day refund window. With a local office and warehouse in California, the after-sales team responds quickly. What we like. This battery boasts a long lifespan with up to 600 charging cycles. It's also suitable for a wide range of applications, including kids' ride-on toys. If you value longevity and want the peace of mind of local support, this battery is an excellent choice. What people say. I ordered this battery and it works perfectly. The battery is lasting 4 times longer than the one that came in a kid's ride-on, and installation was super easy. Just plug and play, remove the black and red battery connector from the only battery, plug this new battery in and drop a little hot glue on the connector so they stay in place and you are good to go. Correct fit, easy to hook up, doing the job. Number 1. 12V12Ah battery for Perego ride-on toys. Introducing the new 12V12Ah battery, designed specifically for your Perego ride-on toys. This battery will bring new life to the toy, ensuring hours of fun. This battery is compatible with a wide range of models, including Perego, John Deere Gator XUV, Polaris, Slingshot, Polaris RZR 900, and Gaucho Rockin. It's a versatile power solution. The battery arrives fully charged and ready to use. You can install it right away and get back to enjoying the ride. Installation is a breeze with its easy plug-and-play design. It's an exact fit, so you won't have any trouble getting it set up. The dimensions are 5.9 by 3.9 by 4.4 inch. This battery is the perfect replacement, ensuring your ride-on toy is always ready for adventure. What we like. This battery arrives fully charged, saving you time and effort. It's also designed for easy installation with a plug-and-play design. If you're looking for a hassle-free replacement and have multiple ride-on toys, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Worked like a charm to replace the battery on the kiddie tractor so our granddaughter can work on the farm. Battery lasted quite a while with 2 boys in it. Charged it up and kids drove their Power Wheel for over an hour before it started slowing down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.